Hey guys, welcome back to my video. My name is Amado Oshini, and today we're learning about Punnett Squares. So my last video we were talking about probability of a flip coin, of a coin flip. Um, today it's kind of like a similar topic. It has more to do with probability, but it's not really like what chances you have with other. It's still chances and probability, but it's not like a coin flip. Today we're actually gonna be talking about genes and like traits and like how humans are basically born. This is like the square on what debates like what kind of stuff you're gonna get. So we're gonna be talking about eyes for this video. So Punnett squares. So the allies means it has different flavors of genes. That means like either capital letter B or lowercase b, right? The dominant ally is the capital letter B. The recessive ally is lowercase b, right? As we know, lowercase b means for like blue eyes, and uppercase B means for like brown eyes. It's you can use like other stuff too, like hair, nose, freckles. You can use other stuff too, but today we're just gonna be talking about eyes. Um, so homozygous is homo means as we all know that homo like means the same. It means it stays the same, and so it's gonna like since as you guys can see right here, as you guys can see right here, two B's is double the same. It's literally the same, and it means for brown eyes. And okay, and then heterozygous is is in the other. So when something is like one, okay, two different things. The hetero means the two different things, right? This is different, and this is also different, right? So the different. Okay, also homozygous and recessive means like they're both lowercase. That means guaranteed blue eyes. So the reason, okay, dominant and recessive, right? You guys are saying, oh, if since it's both they're both the same word, doesn't that mean it's gonna be um capital letter? No, as you said earlier, the recessive is a lowercase, so it's gonna be lowercase, and the dominant is gonna be capital letter. So yeah, and hetero means they're both of these and one, both of these and one. Yeah. So okay, as you guys can see right here, as two brown eyes and one blue eyes, right? As you guys can see, there's a blue eye and there's a brown eye. And if you guys are wondering why is there like a why does brown eye output a blue eye, it's because a dominant is more stronger than a recessive, especially when it's over whenever especially even at the front. Hetero is always gonna be whatever first letter it is. So first letter it is brown eye, and second letter is gonna be blue eyes. So yeah, brown eye does override blue eyes, right? So this is called these letters right here. They're called genotype, right? They're called genotype. They're just allies. This is another way of saying allies, right? While these like traits like hair, eyes, stuff like that, they're called phenotype. They're called physical traits. You just what appears in the body, what appears on the face, right? A homozygous wolf. Okay, I'm gonna give you guys an example, right? Two examples actually. A homozygous wolf with blue eyes and a heterozygous wolf with brown eyes are getting the sun, right? Let's act like they're getting the sun. What's the probability of their son getting blue eyes, right? So as we talked about earlier, this means brown and this means blue, right? So homo, right? As we said, it stays the same. And hetero means it's two different, right? Exactly. So as you guys can see, blue eyes is as you said is lowercase, right? And brown eyes is capital letter. So we have this right here, right? This is as you said as you said it was gonna be a hetero wolf with brown eyes, and remember we said it wasn't gonna be the same. It's gonna be two of them mixed together, capital letter and lowercase. Yeah, this is hetero, and this is homozygous recessive. I didn't realize it recessive because I know I was gonna explain this in this video. So this is recessive. All right. So you guys are probably going, how do you mix the number like how do you mix the letter like this, right? So it's really easy. You guys just gotta have to like it's like just thinking, like common sense. Like it's B. You see, capital letter B is this here, and lower. You kind of just do this, Yeah, it's like that. You guys see that? Yeah, it's exactly like that. It's literally like, so it's like it's capital letter, lowercase, capital letter, lowercase, 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 and lowercase. You see, you guys can see right here. As you guys can see, homozygous recessive right here, homozygous recessive right here, and heterozygous and heterozygous, right? As you guys can see, there's two heterozygous and there's two homozygous, right? So as we said, what was the question was, right? What was the chances of them getting blue eyes? The chances of them getting blue eyes is 50% because they have two homozygous recessive and they also have two heterozygous. So they have a 50% chance of getting blue eyes or 50% chance of getting brown eyes. So how to calculate phenotype and the genotype ratio? So as you guys can see, right, 50-50, right? It's pretty straightforward. 50-50. It's half of 100. Yeah, and this is basically how you do it. So 2/2. We got two blues and two browns, and it just makes a whole full ratio of one. Same with this. It had two heteros and two homozygous recessive, which cuts off to be the same thing. That's how you basically calculate the ratio. If you get, this is the genotype. The genotype, it matters about the hetero and the homozygous recessive, or this just matters about the color. All right, let's go to the question, the second question. So you guys can see this is how it's gonna be like. I'm not saying like this is the question or this is a kind of, this is just a picture just to show how the square looks like. So it's two hetero. So another example I'm going to talk about is two heterozygous cats with brown eyes are getting a daughter. What's the probability of them getting their brown eyes? So as you talked about, the two heteros. So that means they have two different numbers like this. There's two of them, two of the same cast. So you see, as I explained, this was blue eyes, this is brown eyes. Their brown eyes outplayed the blue eyes, so now they actually have brown eyes, right? So they're trying to wonder if their daughter's gonna get brown eyes as well, right? Since they're both um hetero, right? It's gonna be more it's gonna be more of the chances of them getting brown eyes than blue eyes. Why? Because so I'm gonna put this right here. I didn't put it here, but I'm gonna put it here now. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, this is how you put this. So this is how you basically write it. It's pretty straightforward. It's nothing too complicated, and I hope it's nothing too complicated, to be honest. But like, this is how it looks like. So as you guys can see, it's one, two. There's three ones that outplays. Three of these outplays the brown ones, right? Three they output the brown ones. They're browns, right? There's two heterozygous and there's one homozygous dominant. Sorry, I can't speak on this. Okay, but so it's 3 out of 4, right? And it's 75% automatically brown, right? And it's 1 out of 4 for blue. It's gonna be 25%. Yeah, but that was basically like my last problem. If you guys enjoyed these kind of videos, make sure you guys hit the like button, subscribe, and comment what you guys want to see next. And I'm out. Bye.